Looks like a good spot right there. Oop. That might have been grass. I think I was just catching on the weeds. Oh, right there. It's not bad. Oh, dang, that was a good one. Dang, 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 dang. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so we're out here. I got the kayak, and I am going to toss around a buzzbait this morning and see if we can't get bit on that. This looks glassy. I think the buzzbait will be perfect. I have a black one tied on. See if we can't catch something, and hopefully a big one. I'll be just happy if we catch some. It's already hot out. It's like 80 something already, and it's like 6 o'clock in the morning, or 6:30 in the morning. But yeah, see if we can't get out here and catch some. Just have some fun. All right, y'all. I need to come up with a different strategy. I thought for sure that the buzzbait would get crushed this morning. I've been at it for like 30 minutes now, and yeah, about 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes, and I haven't got a single hit. I haven't even seen anything follow this thing up, so. I don't know, I gotta figure out if they are deeper. I don't know, I gotta figure out something. Probably put on soft plastic, put a leader on this, soft plastic, and then, ooh, maybe I'll put the glide bait on the, that sounds fun. Put the S-waver on the big pole. Yeah, let's do that. Weedless, but I did go weightless on this, because there are so many weeds in here. Just straight. I think we're just gonna let it fall and we'll figure out if we're gonna dead stick it or just worrying fishing. I got a turtle right here that really wants to eat whatever I have. We're gonna see if we can't catch something other than a turtle. Wish me luck. Alright. Got one. That's a good bass. But he's pulling. I think we're gonna use the net. Take my worm. He's still shaking. Oh, stop. Okay. Jeez. But he's still green. Alright, well, they wouldn't hit top water, but they will apparently eat a dead stick worm, even though he got my worm. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. Skunk is out of the boat. He was over under that bush. Now I'm right over the, I was trying not to get over, I don't know if these are bluegill beds right here or what. I was trying not to get on top of them, but I'm officially on top of them. Oh well. It is what it is. Looks like a good spot right there. Oop. That might have been grass. I think I was just catching on the weeds. Oh, right there. It's not bad. Oh, dang, that was a good one. Dang, 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 dang. That's a good bass. Man. That was like a 4. Somebody told me that there's some pretty good sized bass in here. That thing was probably, I think that was like a 4 pounder, 3.5, 4 pounds. Dang. Alright, well, let's get back out there. Not a bad one. Oh, I know. Hey buddy, I'm just trying to get your mouth open. It's not a bad fish there. A chunker. Alright, also I just let that bass go. It's right there. It swallowed it, but I got the hook out just fine. It wasn't even bleeding. I think it's just in shock. Alright, let's catch another one. It's so funny. That thing must have eaten it as soon as it hit the water. Stop. Revive this one. She's ready to go. That was the second one that was all the way down the throat. That thing ate that as soon as it hit the water. I mean, I didn't even have, I saw the line move as soon as it hit the water, and that was it. And then when I set the hook, or when I put some tension on the line to see if it was a fish, it must have been coming at me because I didn't feel anything. So I think that worm is done. Time for a new worm. Put a new worm on, and then we'll see if we can't catch another. Run out of time. It is 9:56. Okay, I think a bass just took a swipe at it was either a bass or a bluegill. I think a bass just took a swipe at a dragonfly over here. Got it. Yeah, it's a little bit smaller, I think. Yep, not too bad. Choked it again. Alright, there's another one. What do you get for paying attention though? Heard a splash. Caught the fish. Look how pretty this is. It was glassy this morning and the wind kicked up a little bit. It's still really, really pretty. Everything's still so green here. It hasn't gotten, I mean it's hot right now, but it hasn't gotten ridiculously hot. We need probably a couple days of good rain, but other than that, not too bad. Looking lush. Alright, so we are going to go to this side again. Can't make up my mind. That side over there just has no fish, unless you get back around the bend there. Don't know why. Don't know why, but at least I'm figuring it out. I'll try fishing this like a jerkbait. See if I can't entice a fish to eat it. I think I just caught weeds. Oh no, I got a hit. Little guy was swimming right at me. He was swimming at me. I'm just like, jerk, 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 jerk. Sorry, buddy. Swimming right at me. Little guy. I was like, jerk, 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 jerk. Oh well. Must have set the hook pretty quick on it. At least he didn't swallow it. The larger fish today have all been swallowing them. Alright y'all, that's it for today. Jonas is up there patiently waiting for me to go eat some food. We caught some fish. I had a lot of fun. We couldn't make the buzzbait happen, but oh well. Oh well, we made other things happen. That's all that matters. I had fun. That's all that matters. Hope y'all had fun watching the video. Make sure you go down and subscribe for me. I would really appreciate that. Oh man, that wind's really taking me now. I would really appreciate that, and I will catch y'all next time. Take care.